Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to learn on Unit 6, Saving Our Environment. You can also open your textbook, page 54, okay? Alright. It's about a speech, okay? It's about a speech. We're going to learn about this speech. Hold on, where's the pen? Okay, we're going to learn about this speech. We're going to discuss the whole speech, and then you have to answer the questions here. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to listen very carefully to all the speeches, to the speech that we're going to read together, and then you'll be able to answer these questions. Okay, alright. Let's move on to the first paragraph. Saving our environment. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I am Mr. Tan, the advisor to the Junior Environment Club. I am here to talk about how young people like you can save our Mother Earth. Okay, so it's a speech. A speech has this. Good morning, how are you? They introduce himself. Who is he? He is Mr. Tan. Who is Mr. Tan? He's the advisor to the Junior Environment Club. You can also say he is the penasihat Kelab Sains Sekolah. Okay, what is Mr. Tan here to talk about? What is the purpose of this speech? Purpose. Write the word purpose down. Purpose. P-U-R-P-O-S-E. Purpose. What is purpose? Purpose is tujuan, or what is it about? What is the speech about? The speech is about how young people like you can save Mother Earth. Young people like you. You are young, right? 12 years old, you are young. How young people like you can save our Mother Earth. What do we want to save? Our Mother Earth. Nak selamatkan bumi kita. Alright. Any other words that you don't understand here? I think you understand fairly well. It's fairly simple. Penasihat Kelab Sains bercakap tentang bagaimana orang muda boleh selamatkan Mother Earth, bumi kita. Okay, move on to the second paragraph. Okay, first, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. If we do not switch off televisions, computers, laptops, or telephone chargers, they will still consume electricity. Therefore, switch off and unplug the gadgets to save on power consumption. Okay, so any words that you don't understand? Okay, let's go one by one. One sentence to the next sentence. Okay, first, pertama, switch off and unplug. Tutup dan cabut. Plug semua electrical gadgets bila tak digunakan when not in use. If we do not switch off televisions, computers, laptops, or telephone chargers, they would consume electricity. What does consume mean? Consume electricity. Elektrik tu akan berjalan dan menggunakan elektrik. Membazilah elektrik gitu. Okay, therefore, maka switch off and unplug the gadgets to save on power consumption. So what should you do after you finish using electrical gadgets? You should switch off and unplug the gadgets to save on power consumption. Save on power consumption. Jimatkan penggunaan elektrik. Okay. Okay, here's a picture of examples of electrical gadgets around our house. Maybe ada your house, maybe tak ada. Coffee maker, blender, mixer, toaster, crackpot. rice cooker, pressure cooker, stove, lamp, light bulb, lantern, torch, electric grill, tea maker, kettle, water cooker or electric kettle or a hot pot, kitchen hood, oven, dishwasher, clothes dryer, speaker, electric guitar, electric fan, vacuum cleaner, handphone chargers. Okay, if these appliances, if these electrical gadgets are not in use, you have to switch it off and unplug to save on power consumption. Okay, third paragraph. Next, switch to energy efficient lights. Fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer and use less electricity than conventional light bulbs. So switch to energy efficient lights because they are long lasting and economical. Okay, kemudian gunakan energy efficient lights, lampu yang menjimatkan tenaga. Fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer. Why? Because fluorescent or LED light bulbs last longer, tahan lebih lama and use less electricity than conventional bulbs, lebih jimat elektrik. So switch to energy efficient lights because they are long lasting, tahan lama dan economical lagi menjimatkan. These are examples of fluorescent or LED light bulbs, and this is an example of conventional bulbs. Why should you use fluorescent or LED bulbs? Because it's long lasting and more economical. So what's the difference between these? What's the difference between fluorescent and conventional light bulbs? Yes, fluorescent or LED light bulbs are more energy efficient than conventional bulbs. Okay, alright, next paragraph. You can also collect rainwater. You can use it to water plants, clean drains and porches. Thus, collecting rainwater helps to conserve water and save on water bills. So what does it say here? It says you can also collect rainwater. Look, collecting rainwater. You can use it to water plants. What can we use this for? Water the plants. Gunakan siram pokok. You can wash the car. You can clean drains, longkang, and wash porches. Thus, collecting rainwater helps to conserve. What does conserve mean? Conserve water and save on water bills. Jimatkan bil air. Alright? So, how do we conserve water? How? We collect rainwater. We can conserve rainwater by collecting rainwater. Alright? Okay. Next one. Fifth paragraph. Last but not least, please avoid using disposable items. Plastic cups, bags and containers take a minimum of 20 years to decompose. You can use your own bags or refuse to accept plastic bags when shopping. Hence, you can reduce the amount of waste going into landfills. Okay, last dia kata, please avoid, tolong elakkan using disposable items, menggunakan bahan yang tidak boleh digunakan semula, disposable, pakai buang, bahan pakai buang. Contohnya plastic cups, bags, plastic bags, containers take a minimum of 20 years to decompose. Mengambil masa lebih kurang 20 tahun untuk decompose. You can use your own bags or refuse to accept plastic bags when shopping. So when you go shopping at Tesco or Target, you can bring your own bag. Hence, you can reduce the amount of waste going into landfills. Look, this is our landfills full of plastic bags and other whatnots. Okay, so you can help the environment by avoid using disposable items and refusing to accept plastic bags when shopping. You can bring your own reusable bags. Okay. Last one, to conclude, I hope you as the next generation would protect and save our Mother Earth. I would like to end my speech by saying, keep the future bright, turn off the light. Thank you. So it's a speech, so dia gunakan I and dia kata to conclude. And selalunya at the end of the speech, masukkan kata-kata sikit yang sedap. Keep the future bright, turn off the light. Jadikan masa depan kita cerah, tutup lampu. Thank you. So, a beautiful world starts with you. You can start, make a change. You can make a change in the world by taking small steps that will impact on a better world that we live in. Okay, how do you check your understanding after reading an article? After that speech that we just read together? So you have to answer these questions. What is the speech about? The speech is about how young people like you can save our Mother Earth. Say 3 ways to save our environment. Do you remember? First one, switch off and unplug all electrical gadgets when not in use. Second, switch to energy efficient lights. Third, you can also collect rainwater. Third, what happens if we do not switch off or unplug our electrical appliances? If we did not switch off or unplug our electrical appliances, it will still consume electricity. Okay, good. Number 4. What is the difference between fluorescent and conventional light bulbs? You remember which paragraph it was? It was the third paragraph. Yes, it was the third paragraph. So, the difference, perbezaan antara the difference between fluorescent and conventional light bulbs are fluorescent light bulbs. Apa? Do you remember? The fluorescent light bulbs are more energy efficient. Number 5, how do we conserve water? How do we conserve water? We can conserve water by collecting rainwater. Okay, that's it. Fairly easy. So now you write down the answer to these questions, and I have another task for you. You have to guess the meaning of the words in bold of the speech. I'll list it down for you, and then you can check in the dictionary of what it means of the words that are in bold. Okay? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to save our environment. Thank you and bye.